Alright guys, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Overall, this is a great looking rig. Now, it may be hard to tell on camera, but the paint is kind of milky, kind of fading, but still has a really clean look overall. You take this thing to Cars and Coffee or just cruising around town, it's going to be a nice piece. But if you're looking for your museum piece that's like perfect, I wouldn't say this is quite it, but I think it's in really good condition for a Hummer. But like I said, that's faded, the clarity's kind of gone, you have some sunspots, but man, just walking around it though has awesome presence, and it still is really, really nice. Day coat on the tires, 2005, pretty old. Tread looks good though. Gonna have kind of little scuffs and scratches. American Racing wheels. Here's your date code, 05. All of that's good, nice and clean. Some little fading, little scratches, like I said. Getting close, you're gonna have chips and things like that. That looks good. That's nice. Little chips. It's not meant to be perfect. Rhino lining in here. Tail lights look good, nice and clean. Back bumper. Overall, that looks awesome. Little scuffs, little wear. I don't see any major damage or anything yet. Date code 2005. So really just typical wear and tear. I don't see anything major. I don't see any big pieces broke off or anything like that. You can see the fading. Headlights look good. Front bumper looks nice. That looks good. Got the AC on full blast. It's very hot today. All pretty wicked. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. It is very, very hot here in Oklahoma. Have the AC on. Now it's not ice cold, but it is cold enough to be comfortable. We're going on a drive. So far it is shifting really, really nice. Feel like I'm driving a typical like F-250 diesel. Brakes feel good. Throttle response is really nice. The steering wheel is perfectly still. It's not shaking all over the place. Now the alignment of it's off a little bit, and we're on a really bumpy road. Our steering feels good. This is actually really comfy too. I'm not having to fight it or anything. Honestly, like, if I had to compare it, it's like driving an F-250. Brakes feel nice. Had a little kick there when you really get on it. Other than that, no complaints. This is a really, really cool rig. All right, guys, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Really, really sweet seats here. Massive console. Non-smoker in great condition. That looks really good. Handles on there nice and secure. This has a crack in there. That looks good. A little bit of rust there. Little chips and flaws, but for the most part looks good. An Alcantara finish here on the bottom. Got the floor mats. Nice thick floor mats. Overall in great condition there. Those look good. 45,000 miles. Fit and finish looks amazing. The cover for the buckle is busted off, but it still works. See, this is all cracked under here and right there. All right, windows all work perfect. That's on there nice and secure. You have this really nice Alcantara looking finish here on the bottom. Typical plastic there. Buttons look good. Now that is cracked, that little piece, but it's still intact. Those look good. These are kind of cracked and busted. That looks nice. Vents work good. Really nice floor mats. And check out the seats. These are really cool. This is typical leather. This is almost like it's like an Alcantara finish, but it's not. It's hard to explain. It like squeaks like leather. It has that kind of finish though, and see how you can make the lines? So I'm not quite sure what that material is, but it's really cool. Little chips in there. Seats look incredible though. Grab handles on there nice and secure. Little flaw right there. Massive center console. Shutting the door, nice and easy. Looking at that panel, nice and secure. This looks like it is popping out behind the cover though. Buttons look good, plastic, all looks good. Floors look nice, seats once again look amazing. Edge of that's kind of chewed up. Upper section looks good. Massive console. You have a crack right there. The rest of that looks nice. Some damage there. Overall in good condition. Very cool piece here. Here on this panel, handles on there nice and secure. Little cracks on the plastic. The rest of that looks good though. Seats look incredible. A couple little chips. For the most part though, very nice. Got some cracks right there. Floors look good. Seat backs overall in great condition. Door shut's nice. All right, the two batteries here, 4 of 2024. Super starts. Just kind of scanning through all of this. Very, very cool. Typical wear here over the years, lots of cracks. The leather though is really soft. Dash pad looks good. The upper side of that looks nice. Little marks and things, so overall in great condition.